Aluminium kitchen cabinet versus wood. 12 differences to note. Dear friends, whether you are remodeling or planning to install kitchen cabinets for your new home, the choice between the materials can be a real head-scratcher task. Wood is one of the first preferences that may come to your mind, but wait until you find the benefits of aluminium too. Here we will outline 12 key differences between aluminium kitchen cabinets and wood that will aid you in making an informed decision. Appearance, color and design. With the changing preferences and innovations, many of us are looking for choices beyond the usual. When it comes to wood, you may get a limited choice in natural wood color with traditional and rustic looks. You may only get a handful of choices if you go for plywood or engineered wood. Compared to this, aluminium turns out to be a great choice as you can find a variety of color choices. Durability. Coming to the comparison between aluminium kitchen cabinets versus wood, the latter does not last long. Aluminium has the lowest rate of corrosion and does not decline naturally. It even can withstand extreme weather conditions, which makes it perfect for usage in hot and humid countries as well. The lifespan is one of the critical factors why you must consider this over wood cabinets. Easy to clean. Aluminium materials for kitchen cabinets are gaining huge popularity because they are comparatively easier to clean than wood cabinets. You can easily wipe off the dirt with the help of a wet wipe as well. On the other hand, wood is not just difficult to clean but may also raise the risk of bacteria. Noise. The kitchen is one of the areas where you cannot compromise, and noise can be a great deciding factor. You should note that it may be easier to work on wooden surfaces and will be less noisy compared to the others. Fully waterproof, spills and moisture content are prevalent in the kitchen, and you need to ensure that you do not consider them lightly. Compared to wood and aluminium, the latter is non-porous and completely waterproof. It tends to withstand critical temperature conditions without getting affected. Fire safety, design, color aesthetics and everything else can be altered, but you cannot compromise on safety. It always comes first. The chances of fire hazards in the kitchen are high. This is why the best interior designers are choosing aluminium cabinets over others. This is because the metal is fire resistant and does not allow the fire to spread easily. Wooden cabinets may not be an ideal option, as they can increase the risk of fire. Odorless and hygienic. As mentioned above, you cannot compromise on safety in the kitchen. If you are cooking in a toxic environment, it may hurt your health. Owing to that, aluminium material is odorless, non-toxic and brings a range of health benefits too. On the other hand, chemicals are used to bind engineered wood. Pest resistant. When it comes to the kitchen, you need to take extra measures to protect against termites and pests. While there are alternatives, and engineered wood even uses chemicals to protect against termites, there is no guarantee you will have full protection. However, aluminium is a material that offers complete protection against pests and termites, which makes it the most preferred material choice. Goes well with every room size. Whether you live in a studio apartment or a large-sized 3 BHK, aluminium is one of the materials that goes well with every room size. Besides, it is easier to clean, which makes it ideal even for smaller kitchens. Environment friendly. Wood involves extensive processing and the depletion of trees. On the other hand, aluminium turns out to be the standout choice, which even aligns with the principles of a greener lifestyle. Resale value. Aluminium is a material that has the lowest rate of corrosion in nature. Not only that, but it also stands atop various aspects such as pest resistance, fire resistance, hygiene, ease of cleaning, and water resistance. Aluminium is a material that provides a clean and healthy environment. With such excellent properties, it even has a higher resale value. This way, you can ask for higher rents or seek a better value when selling. Better than traditional kitchens. All these benefits are a clear indication of how choosing aluminium cabinets can prove to be better than traditional kitchens. These are some of the noteworthy differences between aluminium kitchen cabinets and wood ones. Do not go with the old patterns and look for new alternatives. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.